Assess your heart. If you would lay down for me. I'm going to assess your apical pulse. Okay, if you'll turn to the left. Okay, now I'm going to have you sit up so I can also take. Okay, so your rate is 60. The rhythm is regular. Your S1 and S2 is noted, and I did not hear any abnormal